Hi guys, today I come with some interesting ideas with testing our washing machine. So, like embarrassed spins, how they will react to it, what if I can trick it, or something like that to test it and see how it performs. So, let me tell you first off the story about this machine. First off, we get it in 2015, which was very new, good. So the first problem we did is that the seller told us that we buy it from it new with the cardboard and everything on it. So tell us that you need to do first off the drum clean. No, before the drum clean you need to do rinse and spin without any clothes. So we put it on rinse and spin and we put clothes. That's the first problem. Then they told us to put it on drum clean, but we didn't. So, but that doesn't matter. So it will be just washing. That's what my mom thinks. After that, my mom basically didn't lock it, but it loved the program that's for daily and colored. These two programs, it loved it so much that I don't know why it put cotton that needs to be washed at 95 degrees on cold water and on a program of colors. So yeah. So we basically was doing that on the old PCB, torture and torture, until it basically died. So after it died, I was actually saying to my mom, that's why it died and everything. After that, we buy this new PCB. It's a white PCB. But the problem is that it's for 8 kilograms and our washer is 7 kilograms. But it works fine. So that's why am I gonna doing some testing. See how much force it can deliver, see what errors it could do, and even try to trick it to spin imbalanced spins itself. So let's get started. So first thing first, to program it with open door, we need something like a screwdriver or drill bit or everything that could fit in this tiny hole of the washer. This hole, right there. So it doesn't matter if it will be sticked or it will be not. I have this washer. It's not the auto lock. I think it is on the new artificial intelligent powered Samsung washing machine AI. So turn on the washer. I'll be turning it on test mode. And note on older models that want to enter test mode, you need to click on the spin and rinse. So after that, I'm going to put this and twist it like this. So now, as you can see, when I turn it, the door lock, I don't know if you can see it, but the door lock is the door is locked, but it's not, because right there, as you can see, it is not locked. So now what we want is to run it. So yeah, like this. Now we're going to take out these from there, all the clothes. Then turn it. And going right into the rinse and spin program. Keep your finger on the spin option until it goes like this. So 40 minutes. Don't know, yeah, there it is. 40 minutes and 1200 RPM. Now we're going to change that into 400 RPM because if it goes into 1200 RPM and imbalanced, it will destroy itself. So 400 RPM and going to run it. So depending on the model of your washer, like Samsung, what other? Samsung, Beko, Bosch, Korea, what other? Depending on it, you will just wait until it starts spinning. So before that, we need to put a roll of wet clothes like this one. Wait. Like this. I don't know if you can see it, but. And we're going to wait until the seat starts spinning. I think in some models it's basically stop the pump from running, balance and balance, yeah, like this. After that it basically starts to turn. This is where the balance sensor is activated. Then it will turn off the pump, again turn it on. Yeah. But then you need to leave it until it reaches the 400 RPM mark. Now it's still turning. Now? Yeah, right now. Did you see that? So, now the problem is that it will basically, I think, no, yeah, as you can see it's continuous. It's continuing. So as you can see, that's how it will be. See, it's imbalanced. Now we're applying to put more clothes on just one roll and see what happens. So, going to get another jean, as you can see, it goes more imbalanced. Again, more clothes, it got more imbalanced. But depending on your luck, you could easily throw the clothes that it will go unbalanced. Yeah, did you see that? So to avoid that, we need to roll it in a specific way. We need to roll the clothes in a specific way. But I will show you that next, not right now. Now let's try to... Yeah. So yeah, as you see. Now we'll just skip the part when it's basically balance and balance again. So we need to get a piece of cloth big like this, and we're going to roll on it all the clothes that we want to make an imbalanced spin with it. And please don't try this at home if you don't know what you're doing. This is an educational video. So let's ramp up. Yeah, as you see. Now, so basically you try to roll clothes in that way and throw it. As you see, now it's got more imbalanced. It's even tried to hit the glass. If you see that imbalanced, then sit on it and pose it, because it will jump. Did you see it hit the glass? I feel it when my hand hits the glass. So yeah, that was our video, exactly 10 minutes I think, for how to do proper unbalanced spins with open door. I made a short video I think for how to run your washing machine at open door, but I don't think that this gets so many views, so I hope this one gets, and I hope that we'll get into the 1000 subscribers anytime soon. And I'm also sorry that I didn't post anything for so long time, and yeah, that's it. So goodbye.